What's the shortage game?
We had a limited supply of CT4s one summer due to gear supply problems. Roller's management decided to fix allocations at 80% of the requested amount for each sales region. So if the U.S. West Coast region forecasted 100 bikes, they'd only get 80.
So the salespeople inflated their forecast to 125 to make sure they got the 100 they wanted, just in case they were able to sell that many.
So what happened?
The supply planning people didn't know the forecasts were inflated, so as soon as we could buy gears again, we made way too many CT4s, leaving us with huge inventories.
It's not always my salespeople, though. New product introduction, NPI teams, know they need to make high forecasts to get their new product approved. The Pro Max racing bike is a great example. The NPI team knew it was a niche product that would sell about $25,000.
But they knew they'd never get it approved for production with a forecast of only $25,000, so they forecasted $200,000. That excess inventory cost us lots of money.
Daniel sees that the quota game, the shortage game, and the new product approval game are reasons why personal incentives cause problems with qualitative forecasts.